Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an updated 2025 method to find who you follow on Amazon. If you've tried before, you probably noticed the old people you follow section is gone. But don't worry, I'll guide you step by step so you can easily see your list. Stick around until the end because this trick is simple but not obvious. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your Amazon account. Make sure you're using the account you want to check, as this method won't work for other accounts. Now, here's the important change. Amazon removed the old people you follow section from the main account settings. So if you go looking there, you won't find it. But there's still a way to access the information through the Amazon search feature. Head over to the Amazon search bar at the top of the page. In the search bar, type Amazon Live and hit enter. This will take you to the Amazon Live section. Once you're on the Amazon Live page, you'll see content from people you follow displayed in the search results. This is essentially your updated following list. You can scroll through and see all the accounts you're currently following and even click on them to check out their streams or profiles. And that's it. This is the current 2025 method for finding who you follow on Amazon. No complicated settings or hidden menus, just a quick search that gets the job done. I hope you found this guide helpful. If it cleared up your confusion and made it easy to find your followed accounts, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Amazon tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.